Hello, this is my video on how to get free ringtones for your iPhone for any music that you'd like that you already own. First you gotta pick the music. I'm gonna pick Dick and Dixie by Hank Williams III. Now first thing you gotta do is figure out which stretch of the song you want. It can be up to 30 seconds long, so listen to the music first. Okay, so I'm going to use seconds 35 through seconds 58. So, excuse me, what you want to do is switch to File and hit Get Info. Usually it'll be on Summary here. So, you go to Options and you want to go to Start Time and Stop Time. So you change your start time to 35 seconds and change the stop time to 0 and 58 seconds. Then you just hit OK and that'll save it. Now every time that you play this song now, it'll only play that stretch of song that you just picked. So what you want to do is go to File and create a copy of this short version of your song. So you go to Create New Version and then hit Create AAC Version, and then all of a sudden we've got down here now a 23-second long version of Dick and Dixie. So what you want to do is take that 23-second long version, scroll it over to your home page on your computer. Now if you look, it says Dick and Dixie 1.m4a. So you click on here, click it again so that you can change the name. Change it from M4A to M4R. That means M for ringtone. So then all you do is hit enter, and then that'll say if you change a file name or extension, then the file may become unusable. Do you want to change it? Hit yes. So then all you got to do is click on it and drag it back here onto your iTunes, and then click on music and go to your ringtones and it'll be right there. So then if you hit back to music now, you've got the Dick and Dixie. The original version still is changed to that 23 seconds. So you want to go back to File, head to Get Info, and just uncheck the two start and stop time, or the new start and stop time, and hit OK. And if you go back to File here and hit Get Info, it should say 0 seconds and then the end of the song as your start and stop time. So hit OK. And now you've got your new ringtone.